Measuring exhaled nitric oxide is a way to monitor airway inflammation in adults and children. The Fenom Flo is a handheld, non-invasive pheno monitor that adheres to ATS and ERS guidelines and makes pheno monitoring simple. This video will show what comes with the initial order of the Fenom Flo device and how to install the standard NO sensor. Keep all packaging so that you have a secure means of transporting the Fenom Flo should you need to return the unit for service. The first step is to open the box. Inside the box, you will find a quick start guide with a QR code. Scanning the QR code will bring you to the Fenom Flo support website, allowing you to access and download instructions in multiple languages. Additional videos and resources are also available to provide the best testing experience for both therapist and patient.
100 test credits come with the initial order of the Fenom Flo device.
Contact the appropriate support line to purchase and load additional credits. Be sure to watch Chapter 6, Test Credit Management, on how to load additional credits. The Fenom Flo monitor and all its accessories are in the second box. The accessories include the USB power cord, multiple country-specific wall outlet power adapters, a screwdriver, and the NO sensor in a sealed pouch. To install the NO sensor, first open the sensor door located on the bottom of the Fenom Flo device by loosening the screw, using the screwdriver provided. Next, remove the sensor from its packaging by opening it carefully, ensuring you do not touch the area inside the green O-ring. Place the sensor at the bottom of the Fenom Flo device. Press down until you feel resistance and there is no further movement. Close the door and tighten the screw. Connect the USB cable to the USB-C port on the Fenom Flo. Plug the other end of the cable into the USB power supply. Using the appropriate universal adapter, plug the device into a power outlet to charge. The device can operate normally while charging, but should be allowed to charge for at least 4 hours before operating on battery power. Save the packaging and all accessories should you need to return the device or use the accessories. Please contact your local distributor or call the MGC Diagnostics Technical Support phone number, available in the Support tab of the About Help menu.